Hi friends, my name is Ankur Jain and welcome back to Tech Support channel. In this video, we are going to look at how to create a CSV file using FTP Adapter in Oracle Integration Cloud. In my previous video, I described what is FTP Adapter, limitations, and how to create a FTP Adapter in Oracle Integration Cloud. So where is the use case? In this video, we will look at how to create a CSV file using File Transfer Protocol Adapter. Below are high-level steps to achieve this. First, we will create a REST API with request and response. Then we will create a CSV file with the REST API request data and push that file on FTP location. Send the status of file creation as a REST API response. So let's get started and log in into the OIC console first. So in order to create an integration, just click on the create button. Select app driven orchestration pattern. Just put an integration name. Write file integration and just simply click on create button. Here just drag or select the REST adapter first. Just REST API connection. Give any name, like we can say create file. Can say create file. Just select the operation as a post operation. Here I need a payload and response payload. Just click on the next button. From the next screen, select the JSON, and here select this inline. Paste a sample JSON payload. Here I will take an array of employee first name, last name, and designation. And now click on OK button. Then next. And here just again I need a response. Just click JSON and then inline. And here just put this status, the JSON response, and click on OK button. And then next. And then done. Just drop the FTP adapter, FTP connection. Create CSV file. Give this as an endpoint name and just click next. And here you see the select operation drop down. Here we do have multiple operations like read a file, write a file, list files, move a file, delete a file, download a file. So in order to create a file, just choose write file operation, and here you will see select a transfer mode. You can transfer the file in ASCII or binary. So let this option be binary, and you need to give the output directory where you want to create the file. I'll say home/opc, and here you need to provide the file name pattern. The file name might be sample, or you can say it should be in the sequence, and you can say .csv. So here's the checkbox. It says append to existing file. If the file already exists with the same name, sample_1.csv or sample_2.csv, the data will be appended. There are more options: PGP, encryption or decryption, sign in, verify signature. So using these operations, you can encrypt or decrypt the file, or you can sign or verify signature of the PGP encryption decryption. So as of now, I'm just skipping this option. I don't require to create encryption file, or I don't need to sign in or verify. Simply click on the next button. And here the next screen will allow you to choose the sample schema file. If the file you don't want to create in any specific format, just click on a no. But if you need to create a file in a specific format, just click yes. And here there's a drop down. If you want to create a CSV file, choose sample delimited document. If you need to create a XML file, select XML schema access document. Again, to create a XML file, there are other options as well. So as of now, I wanted to create a CSV file. Just select this sample delimited document and click on the next button. And on the next screen, you need to select the sample file. So I have just selected this sample.csv file, which contains first name, last name, and the designation, which is comma separate file. Here you see the file name which you selected will come here, sample.csv. You need to enter the record name. You can say employee, and that employee, and in the record set name you can say employees. And if your file is comma separated, just select comma separated. If your file you want to create in a single space, select single space, semicolon, tab, or pipeline. Totally depend on your choice. The character set, there are lots of character sets which you can select, optionally enclosed by. If you want to enclose your data in single quote or double quote or braces, then you can select this option. So I'm just keeping this as a default. And here you will see use first row as a column header. This is not applicable on this write file operation. Mark all as optional. If you want to keep all these columns as optional, you can just select this. If you want to keep all these as a mandatory, just unselect this, and you will see here all the field will come as a mandatory. Now I'll just keep all the operation as it is and just click on the next button and then done. Now here you see the right CSV file mapper will come up. Just click on this and then click on edit button. And here you will see the right hand side outbound FTP header type. Here the file name or directory. Here you can give the dynamic file name or directory depending on your choice. So if you have given any file name or directory in the wizard and you also assign some values in this file name and directory, that will be overridden which you have given in the wizard. So I'll just keep this option as it is. And if we expand this, employee first name, last name, designation, and this is the top level array which will come from the REST API request. So in order to create a header also, just click on this employee and click on the repeat element. And here you just first name, last name, and designation, just put the header as a hard-coded value. Just click on the first name and just put like first name and then save and then close. And same ways do for last name and designation. Now just top level array to employee and then map first name to first name, last name to last name, and designation to designation. This is how you can map first name to first name, last name to last name, and designation to designation, and click validate and then close. Now again put a mapper over there, mapper, and just click on this status. And here you can put hard-coded value as a status. Or you can see the write file response also there. Just expand this and you can see status and just put status there. You can put a status over there. So put hard-coded value as of now, success, and then save, then close, validate, and then close. Add tracking. Just you can say first name and then just save your integration and then activate. Just activate your integration now. Now you see the integration has been activated. Just click on the endpoint. Just take this and take this request sample and open your Postman. And in this Postman, I have just added the endpoint name. This is the post, and here I have added this basic authentication, and in this body, just first name, last name, designation. Just repeated this element with the different values. Just simply click on the send button. And here you will see the status success. Now open a FTP location and see if the file has been created or not. See the file with name sample_1 CSV has been created. Open the CSV file and see the data should be there. first name, last name designation as a header, the Bradley Senior Consultant, and the Dan Bessel VP. This is how you can create CSV file on FTP location using the FTP adapter. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share, comment, and subscribe my channel. And you can find me over LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or you can see my blog https://www.taxsupport.com. Thank you for watching the video.